Hello students, this video is for grade UKG. Let us start. We have 3 different sections in this sheet. We will learn about 3 different subjects: English, Math and EVS. We will learn about 3 different subjects: English, Math and EVS. So let us start with Maths. Maths means numbers. Maths is full of numbers. The question is, add the number and write the answer. Add the numbers and write the answer. What we have to do? We have to add the numbers. हमें क्या करना है? हमें इन numbers को add करना है. 3 plus 5. What we have to do? We have to add 3 plus 5 means 3 में हमें कितना ऐड करना है? 5. Suppose you have 3 chocolates and someone gave you 5 more. आपके पास 3 chocolates हैं. Suppose करना है 3 chocolates हैं और किसी ने आपको 5 और दे दी. Then how many chocolates will there with you? कितनी chocolates हो जाएंगी आपके पास? Count total. 3 plus 5? 8. Yes, 8 chocolates will be there. So what will be the answer? 3 plus 5? 8. Very good. See the next one. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. Suppose 2 birds are sitting on the branch. Branch means टहनी, शाखा. Okay. तो two birds are sitting on the branch and 4 more have came. 4 birds और आ गई. Then how many birds will be there on the branch? कितनी birds हो जाएंगी branch पे? 2 plus 4? 6. Yes, 6 birds will be there. So what will be the answer? 6. 2 plus 4? 6. See the next. 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7. Suppose you have 1 toffee. Okay. Suppose कर लीजिए आपके पास एक टॉफ़ी है. आपकी सिस्टर ने, आपकी मदर ने आपको 7 टॉफ़ीज और दे दी. Okay. So how many toffees will you have now? अब आपके पास कितनी टॉफ़ीज होंगी? Add all the numbers. 1 plus 7. It will be 8. 8. 1 plus 7 will be 8. What will you write? You will write 8. Understood? In this way you have to add all the numbers. In this way you have to write all the numbers. You have to add and then you will write. Now see the next section. Fill the missing letters. So the first question is fill the missing letters. What we have to do is we have to fill the missing letters. You can see the pictures are given here and their spellings are also given. Pictures दिए हुए हैं, उनकी spellings दी हुई है. But a letter is missing. एक एक letter उनमें missing है. We have to fill that letter. वही letter हमें यहाँ पर fill up करना है. So dash double P L E. What we will fill in this? We will fill A. A double P L E, apple. It will become apple. Next one is ball. B A double L. What we will fill in the blank? L. B A L L. B A double L. Ball. Understood? In this way you have to fill up the letter. इस तरीके से आपको सारे letters को इसमें fill करके इन spellings को complete करना है. Missing letters को fill up करना है. See the next question. Tell where something is. What we have to tell is we have to tell the preposition, means position. पोजीशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट का पोजीशन हमें यहाँ पर बताना है. द क्लाउड्स आर डैश द हाउस. क्लाउड्स कहाँ पे हैं? हाउस के अबव हैं, ऊपर हैं. द क्लाउड्स आर अबव द हाउस. A B O V E, above. The clouds are above the house. The clouds are above the house. The squirrel is dash the trees. Squirrel trees के कहाँ पे है? बीच में है. You can see two trees are there and the squirrel is in between. कहाँ पे है? बीच में. So the squirrel is between the trees. The squirrel is between the trees. Squirrel कहाँ है? Trees के बीच में है. The squirrel is between the trees. And this way you have to tell the position of the object. इस तरीके से सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स की पोजीशन बतानी है कि वो कहाँ पे है. अबव है, बिलो है, अंडर है, ऑन है, इन है, या फिर बिटवीन है, बिसाइड है, असाइड है, क्या है. ये आपको इसी तरीके से यहाँ पर उनके पोजीशंस राइट करने हैं. अंडरस्टूड? या. सो एवरीवन, as we have seen the first question, the missing letter, according to that we will revise letter A to Z with one words. Okay? A for apple. Speak with me everyone. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. So we have read A to Z with one word. Now let's move to the last portion, last section, which is of EVS, Environmental Studies. circle the picture that are related to the policeman. Okay, what we have to do is we have to circle the picture that is related to the policeman. हमें उन पिक्चर्स को सर्कल करना है जो कि पुलिसमैन से रिलेटेड हैं. दैट इज रिलेटेड टू पुलिसमैन. पुलिसमैन से रिलेटेड पिक्चर्स को ही हमें सर्कल करना है. लाइक पुलिस स्टेशन. द फर्स्ट पिक्चर इज ऑफ पुलिस स्टेशन. पुलिसमैन वर्क्स एट पुलिस स्टेशन. सेकेंड इज itself the policeman, means their co-workers, उनके साथ काम करने वाले co-workers. Gun. Okay, so you have to circle those pictures which are related to policeman. policeman से related जो भी pictures होंगी उसे आपको यहाँ पे circle करना है. Understood? So this was all about today's sheet. If you still have any kind of doubt related to any question, any topic, any subject, you can ask me. Thank you.